Mars, the Akashic memory of a civilization. 1. The red planet. And a strange sense of familiarity. Mars, a small red point in the night sky. We observe it through telescopes. We send probes toward it. We plan to place human footprints on its surface. But there is something strange. Humanity is not merely curious about Mars. We are drawn to it. As if it is not just a distant planet, but a memory. Science tells us Mars once had water, a thicker atmosphere, a global magnetic field. And then, it lost everything. The question is no longer whether water existed. The question is, what happened to an entire world? 2. Science. A planet that lost its shield data from Mars Odyssey detected high levels of ionizing radiation on the surface. The Curiosity rover confirmed this with its RAD instrument. The MAVEN mission revealed something crucial. Mars once had a powerful global magnetic field. But around 4 billion years ago, its core cooled. The dynamo slowed. The magnetic field collapsed. The shield was gone. Solar wind began stripping the atmosphere away. Over hundreds of millions of years, water disappeared. Pressure dropped. Radiation intensified. A world that may once have been temperate became a red desert. That is physics. But physics may only tell half the story. 3. An energy event. Natural or something more. Regions such as Cydonia and Utopia Planitia show signs of shock-heated minerals and uneven radiation distribution. Physicist John Brandenburg once proposed the possibility of an enormous energy event. The hypothesis is controversial. Mainstream science suggests perhaps a massive asteroid impact, perhaps natural radioactive decay, perhaps geological processes, and they may be right. But let us ask a different question. If a civilization had existed during Mars's warmer epoch, then an energy event of sufficient magnitude would not merely be geological. It would be extinction. We have learned how to split the atom. We know nuclear energy can illuminate cities, and we know it can erase them. If they once stood at that same threshold, then perhaps history holds a chapter written in stone and dust. 4. A civilization that once was? Imagine Mars with a denser sky, a more stable climate, liquid water for millions of years. Microbial life could emerge, evolution could unfold. Over vast stretches of time, consciousness could arise, a civilization building cities, harnessing energy, believing it understood the structure of reality. And then one day, the sky ignited, not with sunrise, but with a reaction beyond control. The magnetic field weakened. The atmosphere fractured. Radiation flooded the surface. Bodies could not survive. But if consciousness is not merely a byproduct of the brain, then when a planet dies, what becomes of awareness? 5. The field of consciousness. Akashic memory. In many mystical traditions, there exists a concept, the Akashic memory, a universal informational field, where every experience is recorded. Modern physics suggests that at its deepest level, the universe is composed of fields. Particles are excitations within those fields. If matter is vibration, perhaps consciousness is as well. When a planet dies, matter decays, but information does not vanish easily. If a civilization once lived on Mars, then its memory may not rest in red sand. It may reside in the deeper architecture of reality itself. And if the soul is the continuity of awareness, it does not require spacecraft to migrate. It requires only a new environment to continue evolving. 6. Are we living a second chapter? Why are we so fascinated by Mars? Why do we both develop nuclear technology and fear it instinctively? Why does it feel as though our technology is advancing faster than our moral maturity? Perhaps it is simply history unfolding. Or perhaps awareness carries echoes, not clear memories, but impressions. If Akashic memory exists, then every civilization is a classroom. Mars may have been the first chapter, Earth may be the second, and once again, we stand at the threshold. 7. Conclusion. The silence between two worlds. Science will continue searching for answers in stone and atmosphere. Models will improve, data will sharpen, explanations will become clearer, and perhaps one day we will know precisely why Mars lost its magnetic field. But there are questions that do not live in geology. If consciousness is woven into the fabric of the universe, then memory may not belong only to individuals. It may belong to the field itself. And if a civilization once stood on another world and watched its sky burn for the last time, that moment may not be gone. It may still exist within the greater field of awareness. Perhaps we are not them. Perhaps this is only metaphor. But if something within you feels strangely familiar when hearing this story, then the question is not about Mars. It is about us. Now, this time, we too possess the power to alter climate, to fracture atmosphere, to light the sky in ways no one wishes to see. Perhaps the red planet is not our past. Perhaps it is a memory unfinished. And if memory truly lives within the field of consciousness, then the future is not something that has never happened. It is something that has happened before and is waiting to be chosen differently. When you look at Mars tonight, do not only ask what it once was. Ask instead, who will we choose to be this time?